This one YouTube hack helped me build a $100,000 business. And the cool thing was I did it without building a website, hiring a huge team, or spending thousands on advertisements. I'm going to share the hack that has helped me and others that know this secret to get more leads, and it has helped them to convert clients instantly, as well as getting more authority, being featured in various publications. And by the way, you're going to want to apply this quickly because YouTube has become one of the fastest, if not the fastest, growing platforms in 2024. The uprising of shorts, the power of hooks and videos, combined with lower attention spans of most viewers, has made YouTube a dream-come-true platform for every creator out there. So if you want to get ahead of 99% of people, here's exactly what you need to do. Step number 1, your banner for your profile. Yeah, I know this one is simple, but that's why so many people miss it. But be it on YouTube or any other social media platform, your banner is prime real estate, and you need to take full advantage of it because it's the first thing people see. Without question, your channel needs to have a banner, and it needs a ratio of 2560 by 1440 pixels. That provides the perfect size for you to edit it and upload it onto YouTube. If you don't know what to create, simply tell people what you do and the problem you solve. Remember, it's not a sprint, it's a marathon. So take your time here. Prioritize quality over quantity. If you want to put your channel over the top, include a clear call to action to let people know where to buy from you or where to contact you, otherwise they won't know. And lastly, the design should be clear, simple, and straight to the point. Don't overcomplicate things. Too much saturation, sharpness, or anything will ruin it. Remember, in life, too much of anything is bad. For example, if you're a financial advisor, most people write down financial advice, stocks information, market knowledge, and say, "Contact me below." But the problem is that it's vague and unclear because I don't really know if that coach is a person for me. Instead, you could say something like, "I help busy entrepreneurs make money via XYZ stocks and methods. Join my program. Sign up below to see better numbers now." Step 2. The homepage is probably the most underutilized feature on all of YouTube. People either just spin a viral post that happened a year ago or just drop a random link and it's costing you thousands of dollars. Here's how to fix it. First, I like to divide my homepage description into 3 different tiers: a low ticket offer, a mid ticket offer, and a high ticket offer, so that we maximize it for 3 different types of people. So what are they going to find in the low ticket section? We would have something like a newsletter sign up link or a link to a template PDF or something that's under $100. In the middle option, we might have something like a one-on-one consulting services, where people can just buy an hour of your time or something like that. Then the last one, our high ticket option, would be either an application to apply to your course or program, or possibly some type of retainer service. If it's like a monthly thing and people need to apply or you need to consult because it's higher priced, like pretty much anything over $2,000. So that's how I like to position it, just because it tells people exactly what you do, where to buy, and what options they have available without even leaving your YouTube homepage. Treat your banner and homepage description kind of like a thumbnail or a cover for a book. They need to be clear, and they need to explain exactly what your channel is about, and they need to entice people to want more and to click a lot of minor videos as well. So for me, I ask a question, I give a solution, or I entice them with curiosity. Remember, a hook or loop is the best way to gain audience attention. Make them curious enough to click or watch, then give them a dopamine hit in the video to keep retention high. The last thing you need to do is just add the header banner and description to your channel. Upload your banner under settings, use any links that you want to direct people to in your description, and that's it. Number 3, content. Your videos should be better than most people's paid content, and this is the bare minimum. Nowadays, YouTube is getting saturated, so you need to stand out. So how do you do that? Obviously, faceless channels and videos are the way to go. They can have amazing animations or stock footage, it really doesn't matter. Here's the real difference makers that you need to include. You have to share specific stories, your systems, and things most others don't do. It's still about personality and brand. So always remember, interacting with your audience is the best way to gain retention. Now, because they build authority and trust, my favorite types of content are tutorials and how-to videos. But I'd really want you to hit home, and if you're looking to convert clients right away just from your content, then either use testimonials or a lot of social proof. Number 4, a link to your offer. there's a hidden option that I want to share, and you should be taking advantage of it right now. Okay, it's not that hidden, but it's a little hard to find, where you can literally just put exactly where you want to direct your traffic to. Under settings, you can add multiple links. All you need to do is choose what you want to direct people to. Is it a funnel? Is it a landing page? Or is it a lead magnet? It doesn't really. Either way, make it easy for people to buy from you, or to give you their email, or just to consult with you. And now, onto my favorite. Number 5, social selling. This simple thing helped me make $10,000 passively with no promotion, and I never spoke about it on my YouTube channel. I just did one simple thing, and that was commenting about my product every single time. I would post something and it would go viral. So 100 likes, 200 likes, 300 likes, whatever. It was in the comments I would drop a CTA to where I wanted people to go. And I'd explain what it was. Basically, it was me using the comments as an additional call to action rather than just using it in the video itself. This helps make the video shine for what it is, just the video with educational content, inspiring content, or entertainment, and then leaving the comment section for the call to action. This increases the chances of your video doing better too, because there's no selling. And then in the comments, I get the people that are already interested in me and that want to buy from me. So I just drop a call to action in the comments. It was usually something like, "You can buy my YouTube playbook here," or something like that, and I'll just drop the link for people who would like it. It would be the pinned comment people would see, because on YouTube, the author's pinned comment is shown at the top. So my first comment would be shown at the top. It acted as an addition to the video, not as a post itself. So basically, I would give a lot of value in the video first, and then in the comment section, they would find what to buy from me rather than me telling them to buy from me in the video. It's a cool way for them to just go and find it. Last but not least, there's one more thing about the video description, and I see a lot of people making the same mistake. Most people know enough to add a quick blurb, but hardly anyone adds any credentials here or who they are. They usually try to be clever with a quick sound bit more or less, or they just add what they are and leave it as that. You might even see the CEO of X, founder of Y, but it really doesn't tell you much of anything. Sure, I guess it tells me who you are, but it doesn't really tell me how you can help me or what you do. So I recommend using a simple headline formula here, and my favorite headline formula is a what, who, how formula, meaning what do you do, who do you do it for, and how do you do it. And the real secret here is to stop trying to blend in with everyone else and start differentiating yourself with the unique things that you do and how you can help people. When you're going through this process, ask yourself two things. What is the promise I'm making to the audience? And what's the point that I want to come across and anyone that views my channel? Because aside from your channel banner, which again, you should really update, your description is the only thing that's shown consistently on your channel. That's literally it. So you definitely want to maximize this. So that's everything you need to do to turn your YouTube channel into a money-making machine. Let me know in the comments if you do end up updating your channel banner and description. I'd love to check them out. And let me know if you have any other YouTube video ideas for me. Until then, I'll see you.